Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can organize your money.com for equipment hire or equipment purchase. So go to money.com on our main workspace, press this blue button, select choose from templates here, search for, here you have to search purchase and you get this template that says purchase order. Click on it, click use template. Alright guys, once the template is set up, as you can see it has created two boards for us. The first board is purchase order and the second board is purchase order documents. So in the second board we don't really need it. It is just to contain documents about our purchase orders. The first one is really useful. Here you can see you can add all of your items that you purchase. You can add, for example, here we get tables, chairs, but you can uh, rename them to anything if you want to buy or hire camera equipment, you can add camera in place of table or chairs, and then you can add the name of the item. Like if it is a Sony camera, you can add its name, its model, you can add its description, you can add its purchase order number, you can add its date, the customer. You can also add the quantity, the shipping method, the unit price, the subtotal, tax rate, total shipment, and total cost. So it is very well organized template, and I really love to use this one as it is so good that you don't really need to do any changes. You just get everything perfectly set up for you. So you can use this template to manage all of your equipment hire. If that is any that can be any equipment like tables, chairs, camera, computers, whatever you need. You can just rename that thing here and you can uh, add its information in these relevant columns. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.